My name is Evelyn. I'm going to play the puppy. You're going to play the puppy Play-Doh. And you take this white thing off. You put the Play-Doh inside. And you put them like a little piece and put it like a ball. And you put it in. And you keep putting it in. And you put it in. Voila! And you push this, and puppy goes go here.
Oh my God!
It's not even coming out easy. Easy more Play-Doh. Play-Doh stuck in there, guys. The Play-Doh stuck. See, guys? The Play-Doh has stuck. Oh no, I can't get it. Sorry, guys, I can't get the Play-Doh. Hey, we'll get Play-Doh store. Okay? Make a big bunch. Make this whole thing. Out. Make the whole thing. Guys, the whole thing is still stuck in there. Look, you see that? I put the whole thing. There we go. Look, see? You see it all stick? Look. And then we get this all this Play-Doh. This is the Play-Doh.
Who is that right there?
This is Beast Boy, and this is his dog.
He's waiting for his dog to get a new hairstyle.
Yeah. Okay.
Evelyn.
What?
Hold on.
What? What, Mommy? Mommy. It's not ready. I didn't make his bone.
When will my dog be ready?
Your dog gonna be ready in a minute. I forget very long hair.
My dog wants a treat. Are you going to give my dog a treat?
I have to put your dog a long hair. Yeah. Hey, your dog is almost ready. Like this. You want to see Beast Boy? Beast Boy, you want to see? Yes. Squeeze the hair. You see the hair coming out, Beast Boy?
Yes, I want it longer.
Okay.
My dog wants to be a rock star.
There's no rock star. Look, this is the rock star, right?
Oh yeah, that's so cool.
Okay.
What do you think, little boy eating a lollipop? You think it's cool?
Yeah. Yeah. Play-Doh.
Is my dog ready? We have a rock concert to go to. Guys, tell her to hurry. I'm gonna miss my concert.
I'm almost done. I'm trying to be like a rock star.
Can I pet my dog?
Yeah.
My puppy, hurry up, puppy. We need to go to the concert.
He is. I'm trying to put the whole thing.
Guys, let me tell you a story. Me and Robin went flying, and I crashed through a window, and I broke my leg.
Where's your band-aid? You ready better?
I'll do it.
Your dog. Hey guys! John, stop. What? Okay, Beast Boy. Beast Boy.
I fell. Is my puppy ready?
I put the whole Play-Doh in there.
Let me see his rock star hair. I want to see his rock star hair.
It's right here.
Oh my God, we're ready to rock and roll.
I'm trying to take the Play-Doh out.
Did you give him a treat for being a good boy?
I'm not giving the tree yet. I'm trying to give him long hair. Yeah, guys. Yeah. I think she needs to cut the hair a little bit. Take the whole thing off. And put a little bit. Hey, Beast Boy. Mom, Beast Boy. Look at your dog hair. I don't care. That was my room. Play-Doh. 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 Show me. Can I touch my dog? Yes. The only thing why my mouth is like that because I'm a freaking toy. I'm a toy. I'm a toy. So. Okay. Where's the Play-Doh? I go give him a treat. I'm going to give him a treat. Hi guys. Look his hair now, Beast Boy. Look guys, look his hair, guys. Hi guys. Beast Boy, you like it?
Yes, now he's ready for the rock and roll concert.
We're not finished. Take the whole.
Guys, does he need a treat? Tell me.
He does need a treat. He's hungry.
Where is it?
It's like there.
Where is it? Well, why are you not making the treat, huh?
I will take his hair off and make a tree.
Guys, I'm missing my walking car. Where's my taxi? Yeah, my mouth.
Okay.
Guys, hi. Bye. Oh, look, I found a lollipop. Where is it?
Okay. Okay, doggy, this is your bone.
It doesn't look like a bone for sure, but I have him.
But I'm lumping the bone.
Guys, it's really me. I'm just pretending I'm Beast Boy.
Oops, I break the bone. Look. I break the bone, guys. Look. I break the bone. Oh, no. Okay. This is the bone. And I'm going to make his hair. Here's a thing. Where's the thing? It goes, it goes on the doggy.
What are you doing to my dog? God, my mother's crazy. She's crazy.
I'm not a mother.
I'll be telling you. Guys.
Yeah.
Guys, let me find something. Oh, doggy's treat.
Hold it. You're breaking a bone.
Guys, it's horrible breaking it. What? You're right there.
He looks like a girl. Look, guys, it looks like a girl. Look, your boy's hair go like that, right?
Hi.
Look at the puppy's eating too much the bone. Look, he's crazy.
Go.
I'm trying to take the hero. Bye.